Hi there! Jamf Nation is the largest online community of Apple admins, so let's explore Jamf Nation and all the wonderful things it has to offer. From the Jamf Nation homepage, members can view announcements, share feedback, review recent forum posts, and learn about various community programs. To start a conversation or ask a question to the Jamf Nation community about any of Jamf's products, click New Topic. On the General Discussions page, we can review discussions and search for how-tos, articles, and insights from the Jamf Nation community. The Get Support tab gives us quick access to the Blog Center to see the latest Jamf blog and Tech Thoughts articles, release announcements, and gives us the opportunity to learn more about the Jamf support team. Interested in connecting with other Apple professionals? Click Get Connected to learn about community events, job postings, and user groups where you can find in-person and virtual groups to join all around the globe. For those who want to get involved in Jamf Nation even more, click Get Recognized to learn more about Jamf Heroes and Jamf Nation rewards. This was only a brief overview of some of the incredible features and resources Jamf Nation has to offer. Be sure to explore Jamf Nation on your own and join us in the largest online community of Apple admins. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in Jamf Nation.